the things that you do like you. I'm just waiting for the enema, the bad news with the salty taste like vinegar, the truth that your body's already juiced. The damn use is damn loose, it's news that you're bleeding from my energy, the fruits coming from the garden of Hennessy, the ruse that keeps you trapped in your body and blind like you have a glass eye. The tarantula with the 9mm, he's looking at your sins in the soul mirror. He's judging every moment of your life until he bounces from the walls and he's out of sight. The tarantula with the 9mm, he's looking at your sins in the soul mirror. He's judging every moment of your life until he's done. Until he's done. Until he's done. He's done. He's had enough of you, it's no fun. You're a frog in a marathon that you can't run away from your hopes, your dreams, and your life. If you can escape, please do, 'cause I'm through with all of the antics that you have abused. Any past that you walked will never renew. Your love's hope from the sun and the stars and the skies. And remember that I can shoot drugs like a death of a school of fish, swimming by the anvil, casting a wish to be human. And God will decide if the time is right for you and I. The tarantula with the 9mm, he's looking at your sins in the soul mirror. He's judging every moment of your life until he bounces from the walls and he's out of sight. The tarantula with the 9mm, he's looking at your sins in your soul. It's your soul. It's your soul. It's your soul. It's your. So far, I'm a living picture of a mosquito on Mars. Well, I've bad roads with the electric cars. Here I stand with my hand waving, caught the bus as it passes me by. With lungs like tar, convince you that my idiom is a synonym with miniature literature. Business is machine-based, synergy pivoted in the bed and clear visions and drunken decisions. Interested in making me bacon and eggs. A gentleman's breath, the chancellor's floppy breast, a cancerous man, the best shadowy figures clicking their fingers in seconds and minutes, picking zucchini from the nuclear farmland, waiting to manipulate everything I'm involved in. Just a second will give me an entrance to the boundary. You found me, I'm down on my last legs. I'm getting sent to the fountain from the howling mountain. Goes on every angle that's surrounding. The Chinaman's hiding behind the dynamite, piling up in the kaleidoscope. I got some hope that I'm not and I'm sliding. I'm sorry when I'm not longer with the clock inside of my noggin. I'm from the colleges of oranges, stopping the foreigners, interrupting the coroners on the bus of the dreamland. Follow the porridges on them for the orange oranges made of sugar and phosphorus. The holy grail is monotonous. My weenie is anonymous, covered in liquor and chocolates, figuratively speaking. Haunting the holy prodigal, faulty problems, no obstacle with my icy dicey popsicle. Look for the canonical follicles over my crown and jewels, drowning in metallic claustrophobic.